Good morning, Hornets. The weekend is almost here. We're your host, Shahasta.
And I'm Gabby. Let's start out with today's lunch. We will wrap up this week with Domino's pizza, tossed salad, breadsticks, fresh broccoli, apple, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebration with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I am Kennedy, and here are today's top 5 news stories. Amazon testing delivery drones in the Kansas City metro area. Ring doorbell Super Bowl ad leaves people destroying their security cameras. Steak and Shake fast food restaurants removing microwaves from its kitchens. Woman tried to set fire to a possible ICE Detention Center warehouse location in Kansas City. Woman swallows a spoon after her dog jumps on her as she eats yogurt.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Benevolent. Well-meaning and kindly.
The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney.
With all the time spent in Zello looking forward to our futures, let's hear about some of our Hornets' influential idols.
And my idol is Jesus Christ.
My name is Carson, and my idol is definitely Jesus.
My name is Brayden, and my idol is absolutely Jesus.
My name is Sadie Tripp, and my idol is Jesus.
Hi, my name is Caden, and my idol is Jesus Christ.
My name's Lucas Baltherp, and I'd probably say Chris Breezy.
Speaking of idols, let's hear some advice from our graduating seniors.
My name is Jackson Licken, and some advice that I have as a senior is to talk to your teachers. A lot of them are very nice.
I would say to get involved and join in as much as you can.
Get involved as much as you can and get out of drama as much as you can.
My senior advice is to always stay gambling.
All right, so my advice is academically just get things done as soon as you can. Try not to procrastinate, and then socially just try and be nice to everybody and be genuine. Just be yourself, and you're gonna get really far.
All right, my name is Elliot Madrano, and my senior advice would probably be to make sure that your grades are up. Having good grades really helps to get into college, so get that GPA up.
Hornets, it's finally Friday. Let's take a look what's in theaters this weekend.
With a colder weekend upon us, let's take a look at today's temperatures.
Hello, I'm Ava, and here's today's weather. Today we'll have a high of 44 degrees with sunny skies and winds going to 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight we'll have a low of 26 degrees with wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour.
And now it's time for a quick blast of class. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
February 20th, 1962.
Godspeed, John Glenn. 2, 1, 0. Roger, the clock is operating. We're underway.
Astronaut John Glenn becomes the first American to orbit the Earth, lifting off aboard the Mercury space capsule Friendship 7. 2003. A fire during a nightclub concert in West Warwick, Rhode Island, kills 100 people and injures about 200 others. Pyrotechnics for the rock band Great White sparked the fire, igniting flammable foam lining the club's walls and ceiling. The club's owners and the band's former tour manager later plead guilty to involuntary manslaughter charges. 1927.
They call me Mr. Tibbs.
Actor Sidney Poitier, whose roles include In the Heat of the Night and Guess Who's Coming to Dinner, is born in Miami. And 1998.
When I stepped on the ice, I had a feeling like, I knew what the Olympics was about. I have that feeling of just, pure joy.
American Tara Lipinski becomes the youngest gold medalist in the Winter Olympics. The 15-year-old clinches that honor when she wins the ladies' figure skating title in Nagano, Japan. Today in history, February 20th, Carlotta Bradley, The Associated Press.